Welcome back. This is Ramas and it's me, Priska Joseph. Dear students, we studied our chapter 1 real numbers very well and we have completed all the exercise problems. So in this class, we are starting our second chapter that is polynomial. Okay. Before starting our class, if you're watching my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. Your comments are valuable for me. So please comment below. Struggling with mathematics, do these things. First, you have to learn the basic concept of the mathematics like addition, division, subtraction, etc. Okay, there are only 4 mathematical operations in mathematics: addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So, try to learn these operations very well. The first and the basic thing. Okay, and the next thing is try to learn multiplication table very well. Why multiplication table? Because if you know the tables, then your calculation will be much easier. Okay, remember one thing, maths is not a tough subject. It is very easy actually. Okay, so let us start our new chapter, that is polynomial. So let us recollect some important points from the previous year classes. Okay, now here I am writing 2x plus 4. Then this is an algebraic expression. Okay, this is an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. Why? Because it has both variable part and constant part. So here 2x. This is the coefficient and this is the variable. Okay, so the number part is considered as the coefficient and the alphabetic part is considered as the variable. Okay, so in this algebraic expression, there are 2 terms. Okay, by using the addition sign, we separated 2 terms, that is 2x and 4. So these are the 2 terms. Okay, so what is a polynomial expression? A polynomial expression is an algebraic expression in which the power of the variable part should be always a whole number. Okay, once again, a polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the power of variable should be a whole number. Okay, so what is a whole number? All counting numbers with 0 is said to be whole numbers. Okay, let 2x to the power 1 by 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. Is this algebraic expression is a polynomial? Of course no. Why? The power of the variable is in this case is 1 by 2. This is a fraction. Okay, this is not an whole number. This is a fraction and this is not a polynomial. Okay, and if we write like this, that is 2x to the power minus 2 plus 4. This is also not a polynomial. Why? Because the power is in this case is minus 2. This minus 2 is not a whole number and we can say that this is not a polynomial. Okay, so the condition of a polynomial is the power of variable of an algebraic expression is always a whole number. Okay, if it is a 0, no matter. 0 is a whole number, so there is no problem if the power should be a 0. But if the powers are negative numbers or fraction, then it is not a polynomial. Okay, clear? So that's it. And now, what is degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial. What is degree of a polynomial? Same, the highest power of variable of a polynomial is said to be degree of polynomial. Okay, so for this case 2x plus 4, which is the degree of the polynomial? See, the power of the variable in this case is 1, clearly 1. Okay, so we can say that this is a polynomial with degree 1, degree S1, then any polynomial with degree 1, we can say that it is a linear polynomial. Okay, so any polynomial with its power as 1, then it is said to be linear polynomial. Okay, degree 1. Okay, so next one is x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 3. So in this case, what is the power of this point? What is the degree? Here in this case, the degree is 2 because the highest power of the variable. The highest power of the variable in this case, which is 2. Okay, then it is said to be quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial. Clear? And here x cube. Next one is x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here in this case, what is the degree of this polynomial? The highest power in this case is 3, and we can say that this is a polynomial with a degree 3, and we can say that this polynomial and we can say that any polynomial with a degree 3 is said to be cubic polynomial. Okay, is it clear now? So what is degree of polynomial? The highest power of variable in a polynomial is said to be degree of polynomial. Based on the powers, we can classify the polynomial as linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Any polynomial with a degree 1 is said to be linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, then it is said to be quadratic polynomial. And if the degree is 3, then we can say that this is a cubic polynomial. Okay. Is 2x square, is it a polynomial? Is it a 2x square? If 2x square is there, then the highest power of variable in this case, it is 2. So we can say that this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial. And another case, 3x to the power 3. Here the highest power of variable in this case is 3, and we can easily say that this is a cubic polynomial. Okay, cubic polynomial. So those are the degree of polynomial. Okay, so what is polynomial? An algebraic expression is said to be polynomial if the variable of the power should be a whole number. Okay, so that is a polynomial, and based on the degree of polynomial, they are classified into 3, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Okay, is it clear? So let's move on to the next topic.